Part 1. Start meditating. The secret to longevity and good health. Hello there. Have you ever felt that your mornings pass by too quickly, yet you still wake up feeling tired and drained? Or have you ever stood in front of the mirror and wondered, why do I look so exhausted? Aging is not just about the numbers increasing on your ID card. It also comes with internal changes, restless sleep, a weakening body, and emotions that seem more fragile. But here's the good news. You can change that. Just 5 minutes of meditation every morning, a simple secret that can help you feel younger, live longer, and embrace each day with joy. It sounds too easy, doesn't it? And the truth is, it's even easier than you think. The importance of meditation for seniors. Meditation is not just about closing your eyes and sitting still. It's a way to slow down time, enjoy life, and reconnect with yourself. When you start practicing, you'll notice better sleep, no more tossing and turning at night, more energy, wake up feeling refreshed instead of sluggish, inner peace, no more anxiety or irritability. Let's begin with something simple. Sit down, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Part 2. A simple 5-minute morning meditation guide. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of meditation, you might be wondering, how do you get started? Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert or spend hours meditating. Just 5 minutes each morning is enough to make a difference. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably on a chair, or even on your bed. Then follow these steps. 1. Close your eyes and relax. Don't force yourself to stop thinking. Just let thoughts come and go naturally. 2. Breathe deeply. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, then exhale gently through your mouth. 3. Focus on your breath. If your mind starts wandering, simply bring your attention back to your breathing. 4. Scan your body, notice if there's any tension, and gently release it. 5. End calmly. After 5 minutes, slowly open your eyes, stretch, and smile, describing the immediate changes one might feel after just a few days of practice. You may start noticing that you fall asleep faster at night or wake up feeling more at ease. Your body might feel more relaxed, with less stiffness or aches. Most importantly, you'll begin to experience a quiet sense of peace, something you might not have felt in a long time. Part 3. Turning meditation into a daily habit. Live healthier, live longer, live happier. So you now know how to meditate for just 5 minutes each morning. But how do you make it a habit? Something that naturally becomes part of your life instead of just a short experiment. Many people start meditating with enthusiasm, but soon they forget, get too busy, or simply lose motivation. But don't worry. I'll show you how to easily integrate meditation into your daily routine so it feels effortless. 1. Link meditation to an existing habit. Have you noticed that every morning you naturally follow certain routines without even thinking, like brushing your teeth, making a cup of tea or coffee, opening the curtains and taking in the morning air? Now, try pairing meditation with one of these habits. After brushing your teeth, sit down and meditate for 5 minutes. While waiting for your tea to brew, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Before breakfast, take a moment of silence and gratitude. When you attach meditation to something you already do, it becomes second nature, something you don't have to remind yourself about. 2. Start small but stay consistent. Some people believe they need to meditate for 30 to 40 minutes to see results. That's not true. Just 5 minutes is enough. What matters most is consistency. Meditation is like exercise. A little every day is better than doing too much and then quitting. Over time, you may want to extend your practice, but you don't need to push yourself from the start. 3. Use sounds or reminders to help you stay on track. If you often forget, Try setting a gentle reminder on your phone or using a soft morning chime as a cue to meditate. You can also use nature sounds like birds chirping or water flowing to help you enter a relaxed state. There are plenty of free meditation tracks you can play in the background. Be patient with yourself. If you miss a day or find your mind wandering while meditating, don't be too hard on yourself. Meditation isn't about being perfect. It's about learning to accept things as they are. If you forget one day, simply try again the next. The key is patience and self-compassion. What happens after 30 days of daily meditation? If you practice just 5 minutes every morning for 30 days, you may notice check mark less body pain, more flexibility, a stable mood, reduced anxiety, and fewer outbursts, deeper, more restful sleep, no more waking up at night, a newfound sense of peace and contentment, no matter life's challenges. This isn't magic. It's the power of meditation. You don't need to wait for some big transformation. A little effort each day can create a huge impact on your well-being. A final message for you. If you're watching this video and feel inspired to try meditation, don't wait. Just 5 minutes each morning. Give it a try and see the difference. Leave a comment below. Have you ever tried meditating? How do you feel after meditation? I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll be sharing more videos to help you live healthier, happier, and longer. See you in the next video. Wishing you a peaceful and energetic day.